What's up, y'all? It's your boy, baby boy Cal, and I'm back in the game with, you know what I'm saying, with another another video. Right now, it's on day 2 at the beach. You know what I'm saying? I know yesterday's vlog. If you ever seen that, make sure you go check it out. Yesterday, you know what I'm saying? It was like a moving type of vlog, like a condo tour. So make sure you go check it out. But today's day 2. As y'all know that, well, as y'all can hear it, you know what I'm saying, the water background right now. I'm outside. Or I'm at the balcony right now. You know what I'm saying? Y'all can see the water. So right now we're here. So I don't know what we're gonna get into today. So I'm just gonna keep y'all updated. So yeah. But before, you know what I'm saying? Before everything just start, make sure y'all get a video, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and make sure y'all turn on my post notification that way y'all get notified every time I post a new video. But yeah, that's my, that's my brother. But y'all, I catch y'all. When we do something. Right here, y'all. I see y'all when we do something. What's up, y'all? So we done made it to, you know what I'm saying, the indoor beach. You know what I'm saying? We're here. I want to put my bike on camera, but y'all see. So I might get in. Oh. Might get in. But yeah, I ain't gonna be able to record everything because, huh? I'm gonna get on that. Oh, yeah. It was in the pool like a little experiment, man. Yeah, so I might cut it. You know what I'm saying? Well, whatever we do next, I'm pick it back up. If we don't do nothing, then I don't know. But I'll pick it back up in a little bit. What's up, y'all? I'm back. Right now, we still at the beach. Well, not at the beach, at the pool. Right now, I'm cooking my water. My food. Yeah, I can't swim. I can't swim, y'all. So that's the far I'm gonna go. Water hot right now. Everybody's having fun right now. Yeah, I just want to comment this part real quick, but yeah, my brother right there, he playing, but you know, I'm gonna cut it here because I want to get my phone wet. So I'll catch y'all in a little bit. That's if we do something. So yeah. Hey, I'm back with another part. I'm sorry if it's loud, but I'm pretty sure y'all. I'm doing. I'm going to the pool right now, y'all. Hey, look. Let's go. That's it, y'all. I'm sorry if it's loud. They doing something. Hey, look. They doing something, so let's go, y'all. Yeah. Yeah, I'm going now. I'm walking. I'm walking, y'all. I'm walking. I'm sorry if it's loud. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. I'm having fun, y'all. Oh yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all a little bit. I'm gonna catch y'all. What's up, y'all? I'm back. I'm sorry for the noise, y'all, but right now we at the beach right now. As y'all can see, we at the beach now. So y'all, y'all, I haven't been here since 20. Like, the crazy that we back, bro. Hold up, I go with my brother. 'Cause he might. I gotta see. Hold up. Let's go, y'all. Look, look at the seashell, y'all. Crazy. Everybody have. But I don't know why Myrtle Beach kind of looks like Miami a little bit. Y'all ready? The waves. Y'all, the waves crazy, y'all. We're just having fun right now, y'all. Just spending time, you know what I'm saying, family, whatever. Well, not family, but just spending time right now. I'm gonna try to get out more vlogs, y'all. So, yeah, crazy. We're really back, y'all. It's crazy, y'all. And it's nice out here. It's not raining. It's not too hot. It's not too cold. Like, it's just right, too. Like, crazy, y'all. Crazy. Yeah, this vlog gonna be crazy, y'all. But yeah, I ain't gonna lie to you. I might put the camera down in a little bit because I want to have fun for a little bit. Y'all, crazy, y'all. Crazy. Right now, I'm seeing right now, y'all. Yeah, so, y'all. Ain't gonna lie to y'all. Cool, y'all. But I'll probably cut it here. And y'all, tomorrow, I might try to record. Because tomorrow, we, we, we supposed to be going out to eat tomorrow. So I might try to record that. Or, you know what I'm saying? But, well, that's tomorrow's vlog. But, you know. But like I said, y'all, told y'all when I came, I'm gonna give y'all some vlogs, and guess what? I dropped my first vlog yesterday. Today my second vlog. Yeah, tomorrow we gonna keep going, y'all. So yeah, keep it rolling. So yeah, like I said, y'all, just stay tuned, y'all. So yeah, feel good out here at the beach. Right here. But yeah, y'all, I catch y'all. I catch y'all later. Whatever we do next, y'all. So yeah. What's up, y'all? We back, y'all, and unfortunately, unfortunately, we back. You know what I'm saying? At the condo because they kicked us out. We had to go. Nah, I'm just playing. You know what I'm saying? But we had to leave because they told to leave because it was from the thunder in the winter. So yeah, like I said, we back. So I think this might be the end of the little vlog right here, cause I don't think we're doing nothing else. You know what I'm saying? But y'all, like if we do something else, I'll probably just post it as a short and just post it whatever. But I think, like I said, this gonna be the end of the video. So y'all, if I had enjoyed the video, make sure y'all give the video a like, comment, share, and subscribe, make sure y'all turn on my post notifications. That way y'all get notified. Not bad. Every time I make a new video, and y'all, it's your boy, Baby Boy Cal, and I'm out. Peace out. Like I was saying, y'all, it's time to go crazy, y'all.